What's going on? My name's UFGrace and welcome to another PolyBag. So let's just get this open. Lego City, my home of Lego, which I love. So there's the PolyBag. We got Lego City. Oh, we got some other sets that come with it. I think the other PolyBags I've done had that on it. So there's the instructions, and we'll get straight into it. See you in a minute. And we're back. So that was a very quick one. So we only got this one extra piece. So we'll just put that to the side. And let's look at the minifigure. She has one face. She has a Vita Rush back. If you can see it, there you go. I don't know. I think she's meant to be a lifeguard, or she's just a smoothie lifeguard. And so there she is. Next we got the little boat that doesn't float. Air rams. So I'm guessing she just stands up. Yes, it's like a jet ski. Yeah, I like this blue colour. It's a very nice one. And nothing. Oh, there we go. Surprised they didn't put something on here, but for like a little PolyBag set, I suppose that's okay. And next up we got these little like things that you can go, you have to like drive in between. So you get a red one and you get a yellow one. Not yellow one, red and green. So that is my Lego City PolyBag opening. My name's UFGrace. You guys will fin and live, like, comment, subscribe, because I make new videos every Monday, and with Lego it could be any time of the week. And I'll see you next time. Bye.